Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I am on the Carnival Liberty right now, mid-cruise. Today is a sea day. Tomorrow we go to Freeport, Bahamas. I am so sunburnt. You can't really tell because I had to put on the heavy duty zinc sunscreen today because apparently the one I was putting on yesterday did nothing for me. So that's that. So today's vlog is going to be kind of 2 days in my life. We're gonna do the day on the boat and then tomorrow in the Bahamas. Yeah, so we'll see what we get into. Right now, it's about 11:30. I'm going to get into some work before lunch. I have a massage planned at 2, so until then I just need to work and then get some food in me, and then we'll do a massage at 2. But first, let me show you what is behind you right now, what I'm looking at. I honestly think that for a long time I was a little bit snobby about cruises because they felt, I don't know, I do like the experience of going on, creating my own experience, creating my own adventure, really being in a culture for a longer amount of time, rather than just kind of seeing somewhere for a day. But I think the cruise experience is its own thing. For me, I just love being in the middle of the ocean. I love being on a boat, seeing the water all day, every day, and not having anything that I have to, not being responsible for anything. All of my food's taken care of, all my drinks are taken care of. There's nowhere to be at a certain time. Yeah, I think that's the vibe for me. I think more than, I really think the ports, it's nice, but I would rather just go to that country. I'd rather fly there and spend some time there. I'm really here for the boat. I'm here to be on the boat and just be in the ocean, read a lot, and write a lot. But yeah, anyway, let's go get some work done. Hello, so I am working more. I'm in a different location working more. I got some coffee, nice mocha. With that being said, I wanted to say, I've taken the approach this year that when I'm traveling, most of the time, I'm not on vacation. It's just working from a different place, which is actually completely okay with me. I like that. I actually prefer that probably. So anyway, I say that to say, I'm doing a lot of work today, but I stop work in about 40 minutes around 2 p.m. and the rest of the day is just fun play time for me, which is great. And but I think while I'm working, I'll show you some clips from yesterday when we were in Nassau and let you enjoy that. welcome to my favorite spot, the window in our room. Right now there's like a 50th birthday celebration happening for Carnival, like 3 ships met in the middle of the ocean and everybody's having a dance party. So I'm pretty sure that's where like my whole family is and the rest of the boat. And so I thought that I would take that opportunity to have a little quiet to myself to read. Basically what I've been up to, well, I'll give you a work update. So work did not go well. The internet is unpredictable, and there's really only one thing I had to do today, which is schedule my podcast, and I wasn't able to do it, so Obi agreed to do it for me. I'm so grateful for him. So hopefully all will go well and that will get scheduled. And then the massage was great. I love a massage. It always reminds me to get them more often, but then I always forget. But they always do a sales pitch afterwards, which stresses me out. I do not like to manage having to tell someone no when I already paid them for something. I don't like being upsold. I don't like it. But I think almost every massage I've ever had, they've done that, except for it's like really heavy-handed on the cruise. It's like, which one would you like to buy? And it's $140 for an eye serum. So anyway, that happened, and then I went to tea, which was fine. The announcement saying that the party's happening now. So anyway, I'm gonna sit here and read for a little while, and then I think I might go out to like the quiet pool deck or something for a little while before dinner. Dinner's at 7, and we're doing the chef's tasting thing, which is really fun. It's like multi-course dinner, and it's really fun. I'll try to like video like the little pieces of it as we go. It's just a little bit of a boring vlog, but I'm pairing it with tomorrow, so tomorrow should be at least like 10% more exciting. We'll find out. Okay, I'm going up to the party. My whole family's up there. I got enough quiet, and I can come back down for more quiet if I want to. But I looked out my window and look, there's 4 other boats all here. I just think that's so cute. I don't know. It's cute, right? I think it's cute. Cruise people are cute.
Yeah. Guys, go ahead, enjoy. Of blue crab, little of spring onion, little of chives.
Thank you.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have an excellent menu for you. Yeah, 7-course meal. It's not only about the food; it's about the experience you're gonna have tonight. And let me tell you, all the food is.
We have the green apple, then we have the hazelnut cookies, and the green apple caviar.
Like that, and he wanted to go back to being a captain. They said, we'll let you go back on your condition. We can call you when we need you in a bond, and you keep your pay.
The rest is beautiful. Serenity has, there's nowhere else.
Pork belly, on top we have the kimchi bone. The pork belly, what we do, we take the pork belly, we put some
You would have said it about that one.
obviously.
I was watching really closely for that
The
cat.
closer you walk, the lesser you see. You have got all the magic powers. I wish you a life full of magic. Now keep your distance. Make any mistake, the magic will not work. All right. I'm just going to hear it.
1.
This is not my magic. That is stealing. Okay. Now tell me, ma'am, how many times I told this? Come on.
23.
Please. So magic is. She didn't count it properly. Okay. But we have a backup plan for that also. Do the magic action. Just give it a magic tap. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Come on. Tap. Yes. The backup plan work?
Prosciutto and melon. Okay. Thank you.
And he will put chutney parmesan sauce.
She gained 25 pounds.
Yeah.
My mother says to me,
Hello friends, happy Thursday for me, Wednesday for you. We just pulled into Freeport. I spent most of the morning getting work done because we got locked out of my account, so I had to just like wake up first thing this morning, post today's podcast, and then I went ahead fixing my hair. Then I went ahead and scheduled tomorrow's podcast, so I didn't have to worry about that at all. All of that is taken care of. I'm gonna go get some breakfast. I have just a little bit more work to do today. I need to do some Instagram posts, and I need to record ads for next week's podcast to get those uploaded. And I need to do all of that while we're at port so that I have a hotspot. But we're definitely going into Freeport today to get some lobster. But for now, I'm gonna go get some breakfast at the restaurant. I'm really needing some coffee, and we're gonna write and read for a little bit. So let's go get some food. Hello. So it's quite a few days later. It's Monday, and I am still at my brother's house enjoying the sunshine and my family's company. The last few days have been really fun. We've eaten a lot of good food. My mom and I have watched a lot of crime shows. I hadn't seen my brother since before the pandemic, so like 3 years, and so we've just had a lot of catching up to do, so we've been doing that. I've changed a lot since being here. I realized I'm doing my laundry wrong. Theirs smells so good, and I'm trying to figure that out. Maybe I want a Keurig, and I also got sold on buying a house, like watching what my brother did with his house, and just this is his third house, and just kind of watching him start really small and build up makes me feel like it's possible. And I also see the appeal, you know. And today is my last day here, so I'm kind of gonna vlog a little bit more while I'm here. we don't really have anything planned. I do have to work today. I do get to work today, And yeah, I'll probably, my mom and I started a show last night called Unbelievable, and I hope we watch it some more today as well. And just, you know, things like that. Eat some more yummy food, hang out with my family a little bit more, and I also have to do some work. So that's the gist of the day, and then we leave in the morning around 7 to go to the airport. So yeah, it's been a good trip. Let's get on with the day. Mom's making hash brown potatoes and onions.
Is it too cold out there?
Nice.
Oh, I'm a Florida boy. I'm happier when it's like 80 degrees inside than it is when it's 60 degrees outside.
So my family went to Costco, and I'm going to dig into some leftovers while they're gone. Last night my brother made us corned beef, and it was so good. It like melted in your mouth, and then he made some potatoes and cabbage on the side for like St. Patrick's Day week. So I'm gonna see if there's any of that in here. He also made these rolls from scratch. So I'm gonna eat one of them with the corned beef as a little sandwich. Okay, so I'm going to show you the current state of my room at my brother's house. Okay. This is my current. That's what my room looks like. So, take a shower, and then I'm going to put a load of laundry in, and then I'm going to pack up and, you know, prepare to leave, which I'm kind of sad about, honestly. Yeah, I like it down here. All right, shower time. Okay, so this is where we're at. I'll still need that tonight in the morning, but otherwise we're all packed up. I've got my personal item, my outfit for tomorrow, and then just that needs to be charged. But thanks for making dinner.
I don't know if it's here neither.
All right, friends, I am gonna go ahead and close the vlog here. Spend the rest of the night with my mom and my brother and my sister-in-law, and then I go home bright and early tomorrow morning. So next time I see you, I will be in Asheville. See you soon. Bye.